It was carnage on the Lal Street as the rupee fell. Sell-off in Asian markets also triggered across-the-board selling. Now, the Sensex stand more than 350 points intraday, but managed to shut shop above 16,000 mark, which is a crucial level, remember. Now, Megha Chadda joins us to give us the entire wrap of the trading day today. Megha.
Well, the global cues in the morning were indicating that our markets were going to be in for a rough ride, and that's exactly what happened. After a sharp gap down opening, we had the Nifty actually tumbling to a low of 48.37 at one point in the day, and the Sensex as well broke past that 16,000 mark. However, we still managed to recover from those lows, but still ended lower by close to 2% on the benchmarks. On the sectoral side, then, all the indices actually ended the day in the red. The auto pack, the metals counter, as well as the consumer durables pack actually suffered the most. On the Nifty, then, we still managed to have some gainers actually. A BPCL, that one made a very smart move today on the back of increased reserves on that Mozambique joint venture that they have. Ken India, a Power Grid, and KOTAK Bank were actually some of the other Nifty gainers for the day. Tata Motors, on the other hand, stood out like a sore thumb after we had the April JLR numbers that were very disappointing. So the stock market's reacting very badly to that. 7% lower for Tata Motors, Tata Steel, HDFC, and ICICI Bank were some of the other big losers for the day. On the other side, a Godrej Consumer actually, after the MSCI inclusion, did very well for itself. But there were still some Nifty stocks which hit fresh 52-week lows. So we had Reliance Industries, NTPC, Punjab National Bank, and a Hindalco at fresh 52-week lows today. On the gaining side, Asian Paints actually hit a fresh high as expected. A Kingfisher Airlines, on the other hand, stumbled quite a bit. On the earnings front, we had a Pantaloon Retail that reacted very negatively to its numbers, lost close to 6%. A Unitech, despite a dismal set of numbers actually, managed to end the day higher by close to 7%. And lastly, a smaller counter Prime Focus at that. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, the news emerged that the big bull actually had picked up and had added on to his stake in the company, and that counter gained close to 5% by the time we wrapped up.